June 5th, 1944, hours before D-Day, French resistance fighters met with SAS paratroopers in secret in Brittany. In this video, what starts as a hopeful gathering quickly turns chaotic. This is the first-person World War II reenactment, letting you see through the eyes of the Maquis and experience what those moments may have felt like. On the night of June 5th, 1944, British SAS paratroopers, some of them French volunteers, landed in Brittany to support the resistance, arm them, and tie down the German forces to keep them far away from the Normandy beaches. By the time the first landing craft hit the coast, the inland fight was already underway. This battle begins in the French countryside, where civilians guide a small group of Maquis to a hidden weapons drop. You'll see their excitement as they meet one another, greet the newly arrived SAS paratroopers, and hand out rifles, grenades, and armbands along with some other gear. Shortly after this, the chaos erupts. A German patrol stumbles into the gathering and shots are fired. The fight spreads across the field. The untrained volunteers are thrown into their first real battle. As more German troops arrive, the situation becomes desperate. Many fighters are killed or wounded, a few are captured, and only a handful manage to escape. The footage you're about to see is in first person, through the eyes of a wounded French fighter. You'll witness the intensity of the fight, German troops collecting trophies, and medics stepping in to treat the injured, all recreated in this immersive World War II reenactment.
This video is a safe, scripted reenactment of historical events. Participants are not actually shooting at each other. All action is simulated for educational and entertainment purposes and should not be recreated. Viewer discretion advised.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais, ta main? Oh là là! C'est ta maman! C'est bon! Prenez quelque chose!
Merci, monsieur.
Ah!
Très bon! Ah! Très bon, très bon!
Il y a du...
Chantez!
Chantez? Chantez! Mais non, vive la France, vive le gars! Ah,
Yeah, why did you do that?
Hey, courage de français!
Yeah.
Les Allemands! Vas-y, vas-y, vas-y! Prenez couvert! Prenez couvert! Secours! Je me rends. Je me rends.
Tu me mets là? Au secours! Hein? Tu me mets là? Hein? Ici? Tu avais fait bevor du zu laden? Partisanen!
Oh, Kommandant! Oh, Kommandant!
Du bist Kommandant?
Nein.
Ja, c'est bon, c'est bon. Kommandant?
Ich bin tot. Können Sie Deutsch sprechen? Ja. Nein. Ich bin ein Sprachlicher. Ah, ausgezeichnet.
Comment? Ici?
Wie geht es? Oh ja. Super. Ja, oder so. Wie viel ist der Wunsch jetzt? Wie geht ihr? Okay, ja. Wie geht ihr?
This is just a glimpse of what could have happened on June 5th and 6th, showing the French resistance in action. If you have found it immersive, interesting, or entertaining, share it with someone who'd appreciate it. It really helps this video get seen more and the channel to grow and makes more content like this possible. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Brave Builds for more behind the scenes look at history brought to life as we build the story together and honor the bravery of those in the resistance.